Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix emoji game not working on Instagram. So if as you see that there is a new update on Instagram that you can play emoji game in your on Instagram. So first I am going to show you that it is working in this app, and here you will see. So I am going to send 10 emoji here, okay, like this. And if I want to play that game, what I have to do, just click on this emoji again, and here you will see I can play this game, okay. So if it is not working in your phone, so what are the options which you can apply to play this game? So first what you have to do, first go into click on setting and open your setting and scroll down, and here you will see Instagram options, okay. Just click on it and open it, and here you have to, if it is allow tracking is not on, you have to turn on allow tracking. And also here you will see version, okay, 324.0.426.52, okay. Also you can just go into your Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram, okay. Here just search for Instagram, Instagram, okay. And if there is a update, okay, so as I have updated it, if there is update, so just update your Instagram, and then you can reopen that app again and try to play. So I think this will fix the issue, and you can easily play emoji game on your Instagram. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thing.